Let's begin our coding in Python. So here we have to implement a program to print reverse counting from 10 to 1 using while loop in Python. Now we have to start the counting in the reverse order from 10 to 1. So basically what we have to print is we have to print all the number that starts from 10 and it will go till 1 in a reverse order. That means 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the second requirement is we have to print using while loop. So one thing you need to understand regarding the while loop is, first of all, let's understand what do you mean by loop in programming. Any programming language, you will always going to go through this word called loop. So what is loop? Basically, we are going to use loop whenever we have a set of instruction, set of code that is repeating again and again. Now, every time manually writing the code again and again, it is a very, it is not an easy task, and that will also going to reduce our efficiency in coding. So we use the loop concept. In English also, if you see the meaning of loop, going again and again, that is what we are doing in programming. So you can easily relate it to the programming. There are set of the instructions that we need to execute again and again, and so we are using the loop. Now here we are using particularly while loop. So first of all, we have to see about what do you mean by while loop. With the while loop, we can execute a set of the statement as long as the condition is true. So here we use the while loop. Now with the help of while loop, we are going to execute this statement again and again. We can execute, instead of writing this statement 10 times, we can execute within 2 lines until and unless the above condition is true. If this condition is false, it will going to break and it will directly come here. If this condition is false, it will not going to go inside and it will going to execute this one. So this is the main objective of our using while loop. Now here we have to start the reverse counting from 10. So we taken the value of 10 and we stored that value of 10 into a variable called number. Now once number equal to 10, what we are doing, we are storing that number in the variable y. It is a very good programming practice to actually save your variable so that you can use afterward and just reassign the value into some other variable. So I have used I and I equal to number, so now I equal to 10. Now this is just a print statement in order to see a good output value. Now here what we are doing, while, so here we are checking the condition, while I greater than or equal to 1, then it will going to execute this set of instruction. So now I is 10, we get inside this one. So this one is 2, we get inside this one and we printed 10. Now here what it is doing, 1, it is subtracting 1 through that value of I. So earlier I was 10, now I become 9. Now I told you one thing regarding while loop is, it is a continuous flow of instruction. So now 9, so again it will go here. Again it will go here like a loop, it will go here and again it will check. With a 9, again it will check the condition. Now if you see 9 is greater than or equal to 1, so yeah, definitely it is greater than and equal to 1. It is greater than 1, so it will going to print 9 and then again it is subtracting the value. So now the value is 8. The same thing happening again and again, and we are printing 10, 9, 8. Now there will be a time when I become 1. Now I become 1, it will go here. Now here it will going to check 1 is greater than or equal to 1. So yeah, definitely it is equal to 1. So it will go inside this one, it will going to print 1, and when here 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So now I value is 0. When it go again in the while loop, now if you see 0 is greater than or equal to 1, no, it is not like that. So we will not going to execute these instructions anymore and we are out of our while loop, and then we are going to print this statement. So just see the result of our execution, and this is what it is printing, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now there is one negative test. What happens if I give a number less than 1, whether it will going to get inside? Like if I assign number to minus 2, it will not get inside for a one time also. You can see in the output, it will not going to print any value. We are out of while loop. It will definitely going to print like that. So I hope you understand the working of the while loop.